Hello everyone. In this example, we would look at how to find top employees by CTC. And what we want to do is to allow the user to select the top N. So let us say they want to see the top 3, the top 5, and that should happen dynamically. So they should be able to put in the number that they want in a cell, in our case J3, and then the top N usernames and CTC should appear in a sorted order. So this is the data we have, very straightforward. We have the name in column B and the CTC in column C. And as you can see, H3, the cell in the yellow color, has a number in it. And as I change that number, it shows me the number of employee names and the corresponding CTC, which I want. So for our reference, I'm going to take a screenshot of the formula, and then we will build it from scratch. So the first thing I want to do is to use sort by to sort the names B3, B83 by the CTC, which is C3, C83. And we want to use -1 because we want to sort it in an ascending order. This part is quite straightforward. As you can see, it sorts the data for me. But because I want the name and the corresponding CTC, we will sort both the column B and C, but it would be sorted as per column C. That would be the CTC value. And as you can see, the names with the higher CTC come at the top, and then it gradually comes down. Now, what I want to do is to get the top N value, which means I will use index. Now, in index, if I say 1, let us assume I write it manually, it gives me the first one. If I say 2, it gives me the second one, and so on and so forth. But that doesn't make sense because I don't just want a single name and the corresponding value, but a list of them. So for this, we will use the sequence function, and we will click on the cell H3. As you can see, because we have written 5, the sequence of H3 essentially is creating an array of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. But the thing is, it is only giving me the name, not the value. So in the index, we have given the row number, but we also have to specify what is the column number. Now, why did we get the names? Because we did not specify the column number. So it assumed we wanted only the first column, which means if I gave my column number as 1, we would have got the first one. And if I give it as 2, I would have got the second one. But because we want both of them in an array, I'm going to write 1, 2. And this means we are telling the formula that we want both the name and the CTC. As you can see, we have a perfect formula that works like this.